Do you speak English like this in your mind? मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to market. Then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to stop translating and think in English. So let's begin. Most of the people try to speak English by translating from their mother tongue like Hindi. Their mind is always like सोचना, translate then speak. But fluent speaker skip translations. Example, you see a fan, you don't think this is pankha, you just think fan. You want water, don't think पानी चाहिए. Just think I need water. No translations, just English. When you translate, you waste your times and break your confidence. मैं कल गए थे, I study went. You get confused because Hindi and English are structured differently. Translation is slow and unnatural. Let's understand step by step to think in English. The first one is start with object around you. Look around and name things in English. Like this is fan, this is chair, that is door, this is my phone. Say it loud or in your mind daily. Number 2, speak small sentence to yourself while doing something. Say, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making tea, it's raining outside. Small real life sentences. Number 4, use English for your thoughts. If you are thinking, ask क्या करना है? Change it to what do I have to do today? It may feel slow, but it will become automatic. Number 4, practice with prompts. Ask yourself daily, what did I do yesterday? What will I do today? Answer in English. If it's wrong, mistake will teach you. And the last one is not the least. Use English in your inner voice. For example, I should call my friend. I need to study. Let's take a break and listen the secret things. When you don't know a word, don't go back to Hindi. Use simple English. Instead of I was very udas, say I was feeling low or I was not happy. Simple English is better than stuck English. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and comment below. I will think in English from today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more English learning tips. I'm Musa. I will see you in the next video. Till then, speak English, think English, live English.